ERD repairs rotary position sensors like this one made by Sauer Sundstrand, as well as all other industrial electronics. We offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. The SB104A Rotary Position Steering Sensor detects changes in the orientation of construction machinery. Here you can see the Sauer Sundstrand Rotary Position Sensor being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.